Hello, I'm Marie-Lise and today I will show you an easy idea to turn toilet paper rolls and paper into a nice wreath. To make this easy wreath, you will need a few simple supplies: toilet paper rolls, half wooden beads or anything to make the flower center, metallic hoop, a sheet of paper. I will make it with white paper, but you can choose any color you like. Scissors, pencil, and a ruler. And of course a glue gun. First take the toilet paper roll and press it flat. Open it. And open on the other fold also, so you will have two identical pieces. With each piece you can make a flower. So we'll take this one and you will need to cut two pieces in the paper sheet. So same width as the toilet paper roll. So trace a line. And the first piece, it's 2 centimeters longer than the toilet paper roll. So here. We'll trace the line so I can cut it. So, as you can see, just to show you, it's a little longer than the toilet paper piece. The second piece, you have to cut out the paper. It's same width as the toilet paper roll, but this time 2 centimeters smaller. Again, make a mark and trace the line, and we have to cut this rectangle. So then you can see it's smaller. Okay, you have 3 pieces and we have to fold all the pieces in half. And now we will glue them to each other. The base of the flower is the toilet paper roll. So you open it and you open this one. You apply glue along the edge of the toilet paper roll. Just a little. And you came and you glue the edge of the paper with the toilet paper roll. You apply a little more glue inside. You fold the paper. More glue, and we will fold the toilet paper roll piece. That way. You can use a piece of cardboard to clean the glue a little. Then we will glue the large paper. So you apply glue on the edge of the paper or on the edge of the cardboard, it's the same. And you line the edges. You press, don't burn your fingers. And then the last string of glue. And I will use the cardboard to clean the glue and to press without burning my finger. This is what you must have at this point. As you can see, you already see the petal shape. Take the ruler and make a mark each 1 centimeter. Then, helping you with the mark, cut the piece into slices. You will end up with between 8 and 10 petals to make the flower. Take each petal and put it in shape, helping yourself with a dowel or the tip of a pencil. Once all the petals are ready, assemble the flower. Add a dot of glue on the side of a petal and glue a second one next to it. Keep gluing each petals to the other one to form the flower. To finish nicely the flower, you want to add something in the center. I choose to glue a half wooden bead, but you can also use a button or just a round piece of painted cardboard. Just use what you have. To complete the wreath, you want to make some leaves. Take another toilet paper roll and press it flat. Help yourself with a ruler to draw lines at 1 centimeter from each other's. Then cut several slices following the lines. Take one piece of cardboard, fold it in half, and you have the leaf. I suggest you add a dot of glue in the center to hold it in shape. Do as many leaves and flowers as you like to decorate your wreath. Take the metallic hoop and place the flower and the leaves on it. Arrange them the way you like. Once you are happy with the way your wreath looks like, just glue each element with the metallic hoop. Do not forget to glue or attach a piece of ribbon of rope on top of your wreath so you can easily hang it wherever you like. Look how pretty the wreath turns out. I use white paper as I wanted a winter vibe, but you can do it in any color you like. Have fun crafting!